Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of Standard 3rd. Subject Maths. Let's continue the chapter number 4, Long and Short. So in the previous video, we had done till here, page number 48. Now open page number 49 in your textbook. The small scale that you mostly use in school is like this one. Yes, you are using this small scale at the school. It is easier to start measuring from the 0 mark. From this 0 mark, look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their length. So here we have to find out their length. You can see this paper clip 0 to 1. So 1 centimeter long. Then this safety pin, that is 2 centimeters long. Then this pebble 0 to 3. So 3 centimeters long. And this nail, so 0 to 4, so that is 4 centimeters long. So first one 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters long. Then what are the little lines on the scale used for? So the little lines on the scale are used for measure small objects. So that is the use of this little line. You can see this little lines. Then look for the things that are about 10 centimeters long, between 10 and 20 centimeters long and less than 1 centimeter long. So for about 10 centimeters long, which things? That is about 10 centimeters long. Then this screwdriver also about 10 centimeters long. So SOAP, SOAP and screwdriver that is about 10 centimeters long. Between 10 and 20 centimeters long things. Now let's see. See, this mug is about 10 and 20 centimeter long in between. Then this lunch box also in between 10 and 20 centimeters long. Then this water bottle also between 10 and 20 centimeters long. So between 10 and 20 centimeters long, that is, we can say that lunch box, then water bottle, so between 10 and 20 centimeter long, that things are lunch box, water bottle and mug. Now less than 1 centimeter long, you can see this piece that is less than 1 centimeter long. Then this different types of beans, that is also less than 1 centimeter long. You can see this beans. So that is less than 1 centimeter long. So here less than 1 centimeter long, that is peas, P-E-A-S, and then beans, B-E-A-N-S, beans. So draw some of them here. So you can also draw 10 centimeter long things. For example, SOAP, screwdriver. Then between 10 and 20 centimeters long. So that is lunch box, water bottle, then mug, less than 1 centimeter long. So you can also draw this one also, small beans, peas. So you can draw 3 or 4 things here. Then next, how big is my hand? Measure the length of your thumb and your little finger. That means you have to measure your thumb and this little finger, which is longer, thumb or little finger. So thumb is longer than little finger. Then bring a measuring tape to guess the length of different parts of your body and check if your guess is correct. You can also use a scale, string, measuring tape, etc. So this activity you can do at home. you have to use measuring tape and you have to measure your different parts of body. So this is homework, so you can measure at home. Then you can see here my measurement, my friend's measurement, nose, around the wrist, around the head, ear and hand. So this is one activity and you have to use measuring tape at your home if it is possible. So you can play this activity with your brother, with your sister and with your friends also. What you have to do, you have to measure your nose and your friend's nose, then around the wrist you have to measure and your friends also measure, then around the head, then your friend's head, ear and your friend's ear, then hand and also your friend's hand. So this activity you have to do at home and you have to write here measurement. How many centimeters? So here you have to write. For example, your nose, that is 3 centimeters long. So here you can write 3 centimeter. If your friend's nose is also 3 centimeters, so you can write here 3 centimeters. Then around the wrist, so this you have to write here and here. Then around the head, ear and hand, that is tip of middle finger to wrist. So this you have to write here in your textbook. Only you have to write in your textbook and you have to use measuring tape. Then compare your measurement with your friends. So here you have to compare your measurement and your friend's measurement. Some questions are given. Who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? If your head is big, so you can write here your name, and if your friend's head is small, so you can write here your friend's name. Who has the longest hand? So if your hand is longest, so you can write your name here. Who is longer? Your ear, your nose. So here your ear is long. Is any of your nails more than 1 centimeter long? Yes, that is possible. So here you have to compare your measurement and here you have to write name. Okay. Then next, Ghibli and the grains. And Ghibli has to reach the grains. See this Ghibli. She is looking for the shortest road. Can you tell her which is the shortest? You can see this. Road A, Road B, Road C and Road D. You can see. Can you draw a road shorter than this? Yes, you can also draw road shorter than this. You can draw this straight line. See. Then what is the length of that road? So this you have to measure. You have to draw a straight line in your textbook. From where? Here. From Ghibli to grains. And you have to measure. How many centimeters? Fair book. So in your fair book you have to write this. Look for the things that are how to write. So that I will send in the PDF. So like that you can write in your fair book. Okay. Thank you.